Welcome to Strangers on a Chain.
In April 2020, Binance, the world's largest exchange, bought CoinMarketCap for $400 million. Suddenly, the biggest casino on the planet owned the most visited price oracle by the public. Millions of users log in every day to look at charts, searching for the next gem, believing the data they see is pure math. But in Web3, data is never innocent. Today, we are declassifying the data war between the two titans of information, CoinMarketCap and the independent resistance CoinGecko. I'll show you exactly which platform the smart money uses, how exchanges fake their volume, and why looking only at the price tag will turn you into exit liquidity.
Let's start with the king of volume, CoinMarketCap. With over 340 million monthly visits, it is the commercial storefront for mass adoption. Their philosophy is simple: track absolutely everything. They have over 2.4 million assets listed. CMC is built for the retail investor. The interface is highly polished, offering free airdrop campaigns to pull you in, and their academy, Alexandria, is excellent for beginners. Technically, they calculate price using a volume-weighted average price, VWAP, from over 700 exchanges. But here is the problem with tracking absolutely everything. Historically, CoinMarketCap took the volume reported by exchanges as the absolute truth. And in crypto, exchanges lie. Enter wash trading. A low-tier exchange deploys bots that buy and sell the same token back and forth to themselves. Out of nowhere, they report $1 billion in fake volume to rank higher and attract unsuspecting retail. This is why developers and venture funds migrated to CoinGecko. CoinGecko has been 100% independent since 2014. They knew the volume was fake, so they created the Trust Score, an algorithm that penalizes lying exchanges. CoinGecko doesn't just look at the volume an exchange claims to have. It measures real liquidity in the order books, actual web traffic, and conducts cybersecurity audits. If an exchange claims billions in volume but has zero website visitors, CoinGecko exposes them and tanks their score. They only have 14,000 assets listed because they filter out the garbage.
Before we continue, if you're ready to see beyond the noise, stay with us.
If you want institutional tools, both offer enterprise-grade APIs. But if you want to survive in the trenches of decentralized finance, there is one tool that changes the game: Gecko Terminal. While CoinMarketCap waits for a project to grow before officially listing it, Gecko Terminal tracks DEX liquidity pools in real time. This is where analysts find tokens hours after they launch, long before they hit the main indexes. Even their reward system is different. While CMC gives you diamonds for avatars, CoinGecko's candies let you download quarterly market reports and technical books worth hundreds of dollars. Here is the verdict. CoinMarketCap is the shiny shopping mall of Web3. It is excellent for beginners, for tracking global market cap, and for basic education. CoinGecko is the heavy data infrastructure, the independent auditor for developers and DeFi analysts. Which one should you use? The top 1% of the crypto ecosystem doesn't pick one. They use both. In a market built on information asymmetry, never trust a single oracle. Triangulate the truth. Our entire raw data matrix and technical research are declassified in our GitHub in the description. Subscribe to Strangers on the Chain, build your own edge, and never trade blindly. See you on the next block.
Strangers on a Chain.